Hello. If you've never seen me before, I'm Coin Ring Maker from coinringmaker.com. I make coins like this into rings. Today we've got two we're going to be working on. We've got Connecticut and West Virginia. I'm going to start with Connecticut, and we're just going to hop right into this. While I work on this, if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the chat. If you'd like to check out these rings, you can tap the little shopping cart, or we're just going to hop right into it. West Virginia. Now that we've got the holes punched in our coins, we can clean up the inside edge. It's a little rough. I'm going to take a deburring tool and cut away that edge, make it nice and smooth. It looks like somebody found the shopping cart. If you guys haven't checked it out yet, go ahead and give that a tap. There's a lot of really nice reviews on this particular item. And if you have any questions about it, let me know. If you need a half or quarter size, I can do that. I just need you to leave a note when you place your order. But these are real quarters that I hand make into rings. They're made to order. And I've got all 50 states available. If you want to get one, tap that little shopping cart. Thanks for watching. Alright, we got that one nice and cleaned up. Thanks for hitting the follow button. If you're enjoying the live, make sure to tap the screen. Alright, now we got the slow boring cart out of the way. We're going to take our two coins over to the 1-ton arbor press. Doming block, give them a nice fold. Very nice. So our rings so far. We're going to smooth out this edge a little bit. Not so much. I mostly focus on coin rings. I have a bunch of different types of coin rings to pick from. If you go to buycoinrings.com, you can find everything I make there. Yeah, I've done a little bit with spoon rings. I'm not a big fan of them. It takes a lot of math to get a spoon ring just right, the right size. And like if the customer gives you the wrong size to start with, you can end up trimming the spoon too much or keeping it too long. It's really difficult to like resize a spoon ring and have it look as good as it did the first time. So I mostly focus on coin rings. Connecticut, size 7. What we're doing here is just stretching the rings out a bit. There we go. So now we got our 2 rings. There's Connecticut. There's West Virginia. And you can see they've got a bit of a cone shape. They're a little wider on the top than they are on the bottom. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that real quick. Back over here. It's looking a lot better. Now this one, I have to get pretty small. It's gonna be a size 7. Looking pretty good. So the next step before we get this much smaller is to remove this inside lip. You can see that raised bit of metal on the edge there. We're gonna go ahead and get rid of that. And then we'll worry about getting these all to the right size. If anybody has any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. How much did the tools cost? The first year I probably spent about $200 on tools. I've been working on coin rings for about 4 years now, so I probably spent several $1,000s on tools. I've gone a little deeper than you really need to, but I make these every day, so I can kind of justify the extra expense. But you don't have to spend thousands of dollars to make coin rings. I actually have a YouTube video that's The title's very similar to that. It's like you don't have to spend thousands of dollars to make coin rings. Hey, we got an order. Heck yeah. If you haven't yet, tap a little shopping cart. Check these coin rings out. They're pretty cool. And you might just have a coupon. TikTok gives out coupons pretty frequently. Also, as far as tools go, if you go to coinringmaker.com, I have a list of recommended tools there. That might be a good place to start. It is a little tricky to figure out what all you need when you're doing this. There isn't really like a book or a class you can take. A lot of trial and error. See what works for you. But yeah, I've got tutorials on YouTube. I've got a recommended tool list at coinringmaker.com. If anybody else has any questions, let me know. Alright, I think we've got this one pretty well cut away. Go ahead and do the other one now. You can see that lip pretty good on this one. And then we'll size them up. It's a warm day. I'm sweating. Sorry about the shaky phone. When my 3D printer's going, it moves my phone around. And there's still a little bit. All right, let's see how close this one is to a size 10. It's pretty much perfect. On the nose. And this one needs to be a size 7, so we're going to go ahead and reduce that one down. once I finish these, I'm pretty excited. I got a new silver mold I'm gonna test out. So I'm trying to get these done pretty quick so we can play with fire and melt some silver. Should be pretty fun. Hopefully that is pretty close to a size 7 now. Not quite. I bet we can fix it. Perfect. Size 7. Made 2 for me and my wife, 1964. Very nice. That's gonna be 90% silver. That's pretty cool. There is West Virginia. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get my next live set up here. If you guys want to see me play with some molten silver, hit the follow button. I'll be back on in probably about 2 minutes. Thanks for watching, and I hope y'all have a great day. See you next time. Bye!